in just 6 months, from blueprint design to construction and grid connection. The Soeasy Indonesia 531 kilowatts photovoltaic carport has been successfully delivered. Cantilever steel structure ensures stability, durability, and space efficiency. It provides shade and shelter for vehicles, while enabling on-site power generation for cell shoes, effectively reducing electricity consumption. With a total capacity of 531 kilowatts, the annual power generation can reach 700,000 kilowatt-hours, meeting the electricity needs of hundreds of households. This is equivalent to reducing carbon dioxide emissions by 420 tons per year, with clear and tangible benefits. Soeasy, your reliable partner for photovoltaic projects. Another project has been successfully completed and put into operation.